We are going to be practicing capital cursive letter N. It has one step beginning at the top line. Curve your pencil slightly to the right, go to the bottom line, trace over part of what you just drew, go back to the bottom line and stop at the center line. Watch again. And one more. You are going to trace and try for every letter N that you trace. You're going to try one of your own. You're going to trace and try the words one time each. Niagara, Naples, Nepal, Nate, Niche, Ned. You will also trace and try the sentences. Nadia is in Norway. Nick went down the Nile.
A Minnesota pioneer of